Hi, this is a software video review from SoftwareSlant.com, and today I'm going to review a program which actually lets you catch certain viruses and backdoor Trojan horses and malware, basically bad programs that infect your computer. So it's not like an antivirus, it doesn't catch viruses, it catches all kinds of other parasite software. And that is called SpyBot SND, which stands for SpyBot Search and Destroy, and it's a really powerful software that catches all kinds of bugs on your system. Okay, so once you install it, it actually sits here in your tray, and you can, by right clicking on it, you can run it and then just see what kind of problems your computer has. Now, the first thing I suggest is actually that you update the program often, and so you have new updates, so you can catch all the new viruses and all the new threats against which this program can protect you. Now, I'm gonna do just that, and I'm gonna click on search for updates and actually download any updates if they're available. And they say there's not, so I just click on check for problems, and now the problem will do that. Now it says that you have so many temporary files. Would you like to clean them? I say no. So it will speed up the process of checking for things. Now you can see the scanning is now running, and this program already found the problems on my computer, and it says I have an adware installed on my computer which is called Coupon Bar. Okay, and it's actually this is not a program I'd like to have on my computer, and as you see, it's rooted into my registry now, and once the scanning completes, I'll actually go ahead and remove it. And this program checks for all kinds of adware and backdoors and trojans and everything, and I'd say it's one of the best on the web, and this is the one I'm using. So I just let it do its scanning now and see will it find something else as well. Okay, so now you see that SpyBot has finished scanning, and this is how many problems it has found. Now the red ones are really bad ones, and the ones that we want to remove. Now if you just click on them, you can actually read about them. So cookie, okay, that cookie, there's nothing wrong with that, okay. And core metrics, tracking cookie that tracks what you do on the web. We might not want to do that. Double click, okay. We want to remove that. Now hitbox, don't want that. Now most of them will be tracking cookies, and not only bad programs like Coupon Bar. Here's an Internet Explorer and Firefox add-on that lets you print coupons or something, and I really want to remove it. And the other ones are just tracking cookies, which I don't want to have. And this one I leave because I'm an affiliate here. And this is just a sample list of what you can find. Okay, so once you find the bad things on your computer and viruses and tracking cookies which track what you do on the web, and if you don't want the companies to track you, you just click then fix selected problems, and that's it. Okay. And now it says that it couldn't fix some of the problems, like Coupon Bar, because probably Firefox is running right now. So it has to make Firefox SpyBot Search and Destroy run on your next system. Start them, I click yes, and then so next time it restarts, it'll actually go and remove that bad program I call Coupon Bar. So that's very good. Now the other thing you can do with it once you update it, you can actually click on the immunize tab, and then you can actually do an immunization, what is called an immunization. And what this does is actually it writes certain values into Windows registry so that cookies and bad programs and everything can't be installed on your computer. So that's like a firewall for all the malware and adware programs and all that bad stuff. And I suggest as soon as you install SpyBot Search and Destroy, you actually immunize your system, and then you'll be as secure as it gets. Now settings, you can ask it to ignore certain cookies. Okay, and then for example, if you want certain cookies to be on your system and you want certain tracking to be enabled, you can do all that, and you can actually specify programs which SpyBot ignores, and then actually so it doesn't detect the programs you don't want it to detect. And there's skins you can set for this program if you want it to look nicer. There's languages, it has English, Russian, anything you want, Bulgarian, I think Czech and everything else. And you can run a scheduler. You can have, as I said, skins. You can ask certain directories not to scan or to scan, and there's a lot of settings you can actually define. And there's some tools you can have. Okay, and another thing, like system startup. This is where it allows you to see what kind of programs run when you run your computer. When I run my computer, and for example, Acrobat, Symantec, probably antivirus, HP, software update. I probably don't want that, so I'll remove it. Okay. Some other programs. So if you don't want them, you can actually remove, and the programs won't actually run once you do that. Okay. So that is it. That was a software video review from SoftwareSlant.com. I hope you enjoyed it, and visit www.softwareslant.com for more video reviews. Thank you and good luck.